Well, hello everybody. I'm Mitch, just an old guy in a drone, and I'm here to announce a new live stream build on YouTube scheduled for today at 6 o'clock. That's Friday, September the 27th, 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, and I'm going to go ahead and be building this. This is the new GEPRC Mark4 HD5 frame, which is specifically designed for the DJI FPV system. Which I got to tell you is something that I'm really enjoying. Now, this particular frame has all the TPU components designed to hold all the elements of the DJI system, and all of these kind of drones are very new, considering that the DJI FPV system is new too. Now, what we're going to be doing in this build is we're going to be starting right from the very beginning. I'm going to be going into Betaflight, flashing the flight controller with the latest version of Betaflight. I'm going to be going and flashing the R9 Mini receiver with the latest firmware for that. Then we're going to actually go in and start building the whole drone. I've got all the components for it here, all laid out. I've got the motors, the receiver, I've got a GPS module, the frame, flight controller, and the DJI FPV air unit and camera. There's also a lost drone buzzer we're going to throw on the thing too. So it's going to be fun. I'm going to have a panel. I'm going to have hopefully some guests come in, keep me company, because this might take 3 to 5 hours, and it's always nice to have some friends around when you do this. So stop on by today, Friday the 27th of September at 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, and we'll build us a drone. Look forward to seeing you then. See you later.